In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Charles Schwab account. Whether you already have your login details or you're locked out and need to recover access, I'll walk you through the exact process so you can get back to your accounts quickly and securely. If you already have your login information, start by going to the official Charles Schwab login page. On the top right corner, select Login. Enter your login ID, which is your username and your password. If you're prompted for verification, complete the security check by entering the code sent to your trusted contact method. That extra step helps confirm it's really you and protects your information. Once you're in, you'll land on the account summary dashboard, where all of your Schwab accounts are listed in one place, making it easy to review balances and navigate to details. A quick reminder here, your login ID is not the same thing as your account number. To access your account online, all you need is your login ID and your password, plus any verification code if it's requested. Before you sign in, double-check that you're on the official website. Look for a secure connection in your browser and avoid logging in from links in unsolicited messages. If a password error appears, confirm that caps lock isn't on and retype your credentials carefully. If you can't remember your login or you can't get in, use the recovery tools right on the login page. Click Forgot Login ID or Password and follow the prompts to enter the information requested to verify your identity. Then complete the verification step to regain access. Be patient during this process and make sure your contact details are up to date so you can receive any verification codes without delays. These recovery options are built into the login page so you don't have to search elsewhere. If you're locked out or the online recovery isn't working, call Schwab's customer support directly using the official phone number listed on their website or on the back of your card. When you reach a representative, simply say, "You need help finding your account." They'll verify your identity and guide you through restoring access. For security, never share your password and only provide verification codes when you initiated the call to the official number. Finally, remember that you can't publicly search for your account information. It's private and protected. Keep your login ID and password secure, and consider using a reputable password manager so you don't lose access again. Follow these steps and you'll be back on your Schwab dashboard in no time.